Hi, my dear students. So in this video, many asked me, sir, please explain me the memory technique which you are following for our success. So this video is about memory technique. So we will say this as a subconscious memory power technique. I already explained this maybe like 1.5 years or 2 years before in my channel, but since now I want to repeat again for fresh joinees in YouTube. So this memory technique is a Vedic memory technique. So what is this Vedic memory technique? Because see, from my 5th standard to my 10th standard, I was learning Samaveda from my grandfather, own grandfather. So he never dictated any notes. We never took any notebook. It's all just by listening. I don't know Sanskrit. Okay, I don't know even Hindi that time. So what made me to recite those things without knowing the meaning, without understanding even single word. Okay, but so what is the concept of this listening technique? So how we memorized? I used to chant almost hours together. We used to chant 6 hours, 7 hours we used to chant. How it is possible? I actually asked myself that time, because we cannot able to write an exam properly, because at that time 6th, 7th, 8th and all, very average student, 16th rank out of 40th rank I used to get. So if I can able to memorize so much in Vedas, and I have seen some girls used to sing songs, Carnatic songs. It is not in the mother tongue what they speak actually. So how it is possible for us to memorize so much? Then I understood it is because nothing has been learnt in a single day. Okay. So for example, if I am learning say Rudram or say Chamakam, it has not been taught to me in a single day or 2 days. My grandfather used to teach me daily 1 hour. Okay, me and my brothers, like cousins and all, will be 3 people will be there. So 1 hour daily or 2 hours daily we will be sitting, and daily he will be telling only few stanzas. Okay, so for example, first he will tell, then we will repeat. Again he will tell, we will repeat. Again he will tell, we will repeat, kind of. So when we repeat, we will repeat 2 times. He will tell 1 time and we will repeat 2 times. So and first day, say for example, only 1 sentence is being taught. Second day he will teach the second sentence, and he will ask the first sentence also. Third day he will be teaching the third sentence, and he will ask us the first and second sentence. Like that he will slowly increase that. So this is how we should study. For example, if your exams is 2 years after or 1 year after, you have to study daily 2 pages, 3 pages. So when you are studying 2 pages today, okay, when you are studying the 3rd pages tomorrow, you have to first read the 2 pages, again you have to read the 3rd page. Okay, but when you are studying the first 2 pages today, it will take so much time. For example, 1 hour it will take. Tomorrow it will take only 10 minutes for you to revise this 2 pages, and tomorrow you can study 3rd and 4th page. Okay, for example, first 10 minutes you revise the first, second page, and then you spend 1 hour. And day after tomorrow, when you are revising the first, second page, it will be only 5 minutes. Okay, or even less than that. And 3rd and 4th page, it will take 10 minutes. Okay, so like that you please study. When I ask my students who got rank, her name is Pavitra, she got 46th rank in this recent attempt. She told, sir, Sunday I will not study, sir. But whatever I studied from Monday to Saturday, I will again revisit on Sunday. That's how I will read, sir. That's what she told. So this is one technique. The technique is what? Revisiting, revisiting, revisiting. So studying is not only the important thing. Revisiting is again the important thing. This is point number 1. Point number 2 is putting yourself into a situation. For example, if you are studying law, okay, if they are telling how to incorporate a company, you should put yourself, you have to see those forms. For example, simplified form of incorporating company electronically, there is a form called SPICE. So immediately go and Google it, SPICE form. Just see the PDF of how that form works, what and all it contains. This is another way of remembering it. Sir, how to remember all those sections? I will tell you, we have not remembered the sections just like that in a single day. It took us time, okay? And I always say we should not forget it, okay? So, sir, how to remember without forgetting? I will tell you, forgetting is a human nature, okay? We will forget. Then what to do? Sir, can I remember eternally? It is possible, but it will not come over 1 or 2 days. It will come over a period of time, I will tell you. So first you read, then you write it, then you forget it. So read, write, forget. Again, after a week, again you take it, read it, write it, forget it. Third time when you read, you will not forget. So first read, then write, then forget it. Then again read, then write, then forget it. Third time when you are reading, you will not forget. And make sure every time when you are reading, you have to write it and see. Okay, so you have to write. Writing practice only will make you super brilliant. Okay, sir, after writing also I am forgetting, sir. I am telling you, no, write 2 times. Study, write, forget. Again study, write, forget. Again study and prepare for examination purpose. So the third time when you are studying only, you are preparing for examination and not the first and second time. Okay, this is the first part of memory technique. Follow this for 1 or 2 months. So I told you 2 things. Study small, but study regularly and revisit. Okay. And second is write. Study, write. Study, write. Again study. Okay. These 2 techniques as of now you follow. So I will tell the first technique as Vedic technique. And second technique is a normal everyone's practice. So whoever is going to take their pen, put it in paper, start writing, you will not forget. So keep this in mind. This is, I can say this video as part 1. Okay. So we will see how much this video gets likes. Okay. How much more subscribing people you do for this video. Then I will release my 3rd and 4th technique in future. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.